about all the night. Red wine to rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1.
What's up?
Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, today we're at a hotel. I'm here with Megan and Anna.
And we're here with Kelly.
Yeah, that's me. We're getting some ice.
Here I am in your life. Here you are in mine. Yes, we have a sweet life most of the time.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
We're going to Riverside for dinner at the food court. Yeah. Okay, we're walking to Riverside right now. Yup.
Gonna eat dinner.
Yum.
Yay.
Here is dinner. Watch me hit this, guys. Hey guys, update. Our bus just got here, and then he drove away.
We were waiting like one beat for people to get off, and he closed the doors and went.
So yeah, we missed our bus. Hello, we're at Epcot. Okay, so we missed our bus. So we caught the bus to Epcot. So here we are at Epcot. The ball is way back there. And now we're trying to catch the bus back to the hotel. There's your update. We're at the arcade. I thought I was far enough back. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to Fort Wilderness today for lunch and maybe some other stuff. So yeah. We made it to Fort Wilderness. Hi! Hey dude. We're about to go mining. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at her go. She's gonna find so many gems. Whoa, wow. Yummy nacho. Now we're at Wilderness Lodge. There she is. It's okay. At Animal Kingdom Lodge now. We're walking around Animal Kingdom Lodge outside and looking for animals. So far we've seen a wild pelican. Zebras! Look, okay, there's some zebras. And then look at this guy. There's this guy laying down. I don't know, is he like an antelope or something? I'm a rebel. Now you guys get a better view of the animals. Look at them. Oh my gosh. We found a better view. Look at them. Alright, now we're at Animal Kingdom. We're having a picnic. So yesterday, which I think I vlogged it, at Riverside, the bus left us. It like stopped for a second and then it drove away, not giving us time to...
Didn't even get to get up from the bench.
Exactly.
Fort Wilderness. That was today.
Got
We got on during like a shift change. And
Yeah.
we passed our stop. We took the bus back down, went to go eat lunch, and the register broke.
Broken register. So we couldn't eat lunch pretty much until a lot later. Oh, we were going to Animal Kingdom Lodge. And there's like 2 of them. So we stopped at the first one. We were gonna get off. We stood up and everything, and then all of a sudden he closed the door and we had to sit back down and they started driving. So yeah, we missed that stop.
And then for the grand finale, going to Animal Kingdom, the bus driver ran a green arrow.
There was a red arrow and she was like, the car that's coming is far enough away. So then she just turned and we could have died, just saying. So that's about all the news, updates, whatever. We're just gonna enjoy our picnic. Yeah. Cheers. Now I am like sorting out the rocks that we got earlier. So there's some. Here's the guide. Yep. He's crocheting. We're going to film the rest of the intro. Look, there's a baby gator. He's slithering away now. We're at Epcot again, for real this time. There she is. Woo! Here's lunch. We just got off of Soarin', and now we're gonna go to the Nemo ride, which is right there. There's the Nemo ride. We're in the show. Yeah. There's Nemo. Well, I don't see Nemo yet, but. There's Nemo. I found Nemo.
It's been a long, hard way. My supervisor's cage.
Yeah, we're leaving. We got our graduation buttons. It's kind of illegible, but it's okay. We're at Animal Kingdom. They're otters. There's 4. They're so cute. You ready? Yeah! Uh-oh! We're eating in Japan. We're in Italy. Look at the ball. Last ride of the day.
I'll try not to let it get me down. When I quit my day, I will try to run away to this sanctuary I
Here we are on the news. Where are we gonna go? I'm gonna go right here where guys stand. There we go, we're going to Alaska. That's how we watch it, I guess. We're leaving Epcot now.
Business vacation.
Yes, our graduation trip is over now. So sad. But we closed down Epcot. Let's go. You want to do like some outro thing? Like, it's so funny. I don't know.
Subscribe.
What she said. Oh look, there's fireworks. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, boom.
3, 2, 1. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like.
Here's a tour of my crib. There's a big ball here. Oh, who is it? Well, this is my crib. I don't know what I'm filming. And there's your mom.